Hi, good morning. I'm Christy. Welcome to All About Food. For today, I'm going to teach you how to make ricotta cheese.
We need a casserole, 4 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, a stirring bamboo spoon, a katsa, strainer, and a bowl.
Pour in our milk in a casserole. And simmer this in low-medium heat. Stirring this constantly so it will not stick at the bottom of your casserole. Let's add in our salt. Stirring our milk constantly. Our milk is now simmering. As you can see, there's a bubble in the side of your casserole. Slowly pour in your vinegar, 1 tablespoon at a time. And we will wait for this to curdle. Separation of whey from the curd. As you can see, the curd and the whey is now separated. Bring your milk to a boil. It's now boiling, and turn off the heat. Set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour in your mixture in a strainer. Take off as much as liquid as you can. Leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on the texture of ricotta cheese that you like. This is our ricotta cheese. You may now transfer this to your serving dish, or you can store this inside your refrigerator in an airtight food storage container for 4 to 7 days. So there you have it, our ricotta cheese. You may serve ricotta cheese for breakfast, snack, lunch, or dinner with your favorite meals. I like mine with malunggay pandesal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button. Have a great weekend!